inheritance. He says this inheritance, it is reserved. Do you know something that is reserved? Have you ever went to an event, you try to occupy a certain chair, and they will say, sorry my brother, this chair is reserved. Can you take the second row? What do they mean? They are simply saying to you, this chair is not for you, but this chair is for someone. So the Bible says that we are born into an inheritance. This inheritance has been long been kept in heaven. It has been reserved for you. He says this inheritance, it's a grace, it's a salvation that is kept by the power of God. This salvation is ready to be revealed to you in the last days. But this thing has been kept in heaven for a long time, but it will only be revealed in the last days. But when are the last days? Because we continue to postpone the heavenly things because we are still waiting for the last days. That is why we can't even access and experience the heavenly things. Because we postpone, because we don't understand what is it. Last days, these are the last days. But abanye confused ziseza insuku zokugqibela. But uThixo kuthela insuku zokugqibela uthetha ngantoni? Ngoba kwinsuku zokugqibela kune salvation, kunelifa, kunobabalo, elimele lize lutyhilwe, ligcinelwe thina. There is an inheritance, a glory, a grace, a salvation. It is ready to be revealed. This thing will be made manifest to us, but it is kept reserved. When they tried to inquire about Isaiah, sorry, Isaiah, it's not for you. It is reserved for someone. And they tried to know who are these people. They said, write these things. It is for a generation yet unborn. There is a generation, and that generation did not choose God, but God chose them. They are royalty, they are kings, they are priests, and have reserved something for them. And this thing will be revealed in the last days, in the last times, kept in heaven. But when was the last times? Meaning that the day when Jesus Christ was revealed, the day when Jesus Christ was born, God said, these are last times. If those days, Jesus Christ were the last times, I want us to be initiative. And yet, this is a passport and a go-to, this is a postponed the heavenly things that He kept in store for us. When Jesus came in the last times, God was so excited. The seats that were reserved, the seats that were reserved, the seats that were reserved, because kumele as afe kunye nabo, angoje kunye nabo, afuke kunye nabo, ayohlala to the reserved seats in the heavenly places, so that they can experience the grace, the mercy, the salvation, the inheritance that He kept for us. If those days were the last times, so when you did it,